was your feeling to be here?
Very good. Now I'm landing, okay?
You're landing the...
Catch me landing.
Okay, where is that thing? Yalla. Actually, he flied the drone Mavic 2 Pro in Red Sand Desert, and there are a couple of people here.
Yes.
Not couple of people, thousands of people are here. And the drone is very near to us.
I'm going up to catch the drifting. Look.
Yeah, exactly. He's enjoying, and the battery is still in a good shape. How much the battery left?
30%.
30% left, so we are in a good battery. And actually the weather is excellent here in this location. Okay, cool. Hello guys. Yes.
C'è da fare adesso qui.
Give me, please.
Non me lo posso dare.
Yeah, please.
Together. Go. Yes.
Yalla. Hello. Yalla. Oh my God. Welcome. Say something, Sylvester, say something. How was your journey?
So crazy people, the Saudi.
Oh my God. This is really crazy, huh?
Thank you. It's a very good experience. Thank you very much, Yamul. Thank you.
Okay. So you had a great time?
Yes.
You spent a great night. Great evening so far. Evening. Good. Allah, I'm very happy for you.
Very good shot also, because so typical. I like the way how Saudi people enjoy the nature. For example, I traveled a lot of the world, and it's impossible to think that the people go on the sand like this. You cannot walk in other places on the world. Here, by car up and down, they enjoy. I like so much.
Oh my God! So this is a new experience for Saudi Arabia. Huh?
It's my first day in Saudi Arabia. I have no words here.
It's crazy, huh? It's crazy here. Thumbs up, yalla. Okay, my friend.
Inshallah.
Mashallah, mashallah. You are having a good time, huh?
Saudi
Enjoying.
people are heart people.
Oh, mashallah, wallah, mia, 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 mia. مية مية.
Ya Jamul, I'm here to say goodbye to you. Thanks you very much to bring me everywhere here.
It's an honor you are with me. So I hope you had a very good time and enjoy your next journey.
Yes, my next journey it's all around Saudi Arabia and all around the world. Thank you very much.
And guys, please follow him. He's my friend from Italy. And
Yes, my name is Itto Avventure, YouTube, Instagram, Facebook. I've been in 81 countries. Saudi Arabia, it's 82 countries on the world, and I will show you the best things of the world.
Oh, so must join him and see what his next adventure is. So,
Ci vediamo alla prossima avventura.
oh,
Grazie.
mashallah. Okay, see you, my friend.
Ciao,
Okay,
amigo.
have a see you like this.